The gesture was at the request of the head of state in celebration of his 79th birthday, where he directed that his birthday contributions be instead forwarded directly to the National COVID-19 Response Bank account. At the handover, the First Lady expressed gratitude towards the frontline team.
So the fear and anxiety is certainly the same for all of us, but COVID doesn't impact us the same because there's direct and indirect consequences of COVID. And the COVID-19 pandemic has really highlighted how much society relies on essential workers. It's also helped us expand the definition of who essential workers are. Cleaners, drivers, contact tracers, police officers. There are many people who are essential workers that we don't directly recognize. So I think the term healthcare worker is relatively specific, but the word essential worker is a little bit more expanded thanks to COVID. And since the outbreak of the pandemic, essential workers have been exposed to a higher risk of infection and emotional trauma from the virus while carrying out their day-to-day work. Now more than ever, during this time and in the future, please take care of yourselves. You know, when you get on a plane, they always say that in case of an incident, please put on your oxygen mask first before you help anybody else. And the truth behind that is that you cannot help somebody else if you yourself are in need of assistance. So please do look after yourself. As much as we say put on your face mask, sanitize your hands, we also need to say we must also practice self-care.
The National COVID-19 Contact Tracing Lead at the occasion thanked the Head of State and the First Lady for the support, adding that they have so far been able to trace 24,648 contacts in all 14 regions that were linked to confirmed cases, of which 6,550 are linked to COVID-19 cases in Khomas.
And this team do much of the work because, as alluded earlier, I don't want to dilute anything what the First Lady has said. They talked and interviewed cases to identify. So they have large group of number of people to talk to. First thing, they talk to the confirmed cases. Once they talk to the confirmed cases, then to investigate, starting with their movements, just to know who were they, where were they, and who were they with, just to be able to identify. So once now they have spoken to they have interviewed the cases, then they now come down to talk to the contacts, the people that were exposed to these individual confirmed cases, just to understand the nature of contacts or the nature of exposure they had, for us to understand and to be able to verify and clarify if they are really contacts or not contacts. And then from there, once they are identified, then now they have to monitor them on daily basis to see how or to see the progression of their health status.
Mutikisha added that contact tracing is vital for the prevention of further transmission of the virus.